recording. And say hi? No. Hi. No. You gonna give kisses? You're so sweet.
Tell him about what we're about to do, man.
Trying to put his shades on. It's hot.
Where we going?
Because I don't know what out here.
Where we going?
We're going to Sorrento, Italy.
2 days?
Yep, today, tomorrow, and we head out Sunday. Because we got some free points. Well, not free, but we got points from staying in a hotel in the States. And the closest hotel to us to use those points to get free nights was the one we're heading to, which is like Hotel Gardenia Sorrento. There's also one in Rome. Actually, there's like 6 in Rome. All of them have bad reviews except for one.
Are we using the points here?
Well, the hotel in Rome, the one that actually has the good reviews, no, it's close, like it's next to the airport there. So there's not really a whole lot around it, and everything that you want to see is like 40 minutes away. So I was like, I don't really know. Like maybe eventually we might, I don't know. But we do plan to go to Rome next month.
For your birthday.
Yeah. I'm turning 21.
For the hourly thing.
Just kidding. 28. But still.
First leg of the trip, ATM.
Yep, gotta get that euro.
Cash is king out here in these streets.
That is very true. But yeah, it's hot. It's really hot out here.
So hot.
It's 90 degrees today. It's hot. Right, Jaden? It's hot. Hey? Yeah.
You look hot. Look at your hair.
I know. He's sweating. His hair is so curly from sweating. Which is why I always have the AC on blast, because my little pig in a blanket back there is always sweating. Got the sprinklers on. But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. And nothing else exciting is going on, if I can talk. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Cheese. Steak.
It's our hotel room.
It's pretty small. This side's like a dorm room. Got a little patio, something. flags. You can see the street. Have a little mini cappuccino or something. James being abusive.
Okay.
Turning. So, yeah. Happy day. So,
Jaden can.
It's just him recording his face. He's vlogging, baby.
Oh yeah, that restaurant opened at 6. So it says.
Yeah.
You can turn it off. You say bye. You say bye-bye?
Bye.
You say bye?
Bye.
Mask on. Mask on. Possible. Check this out. Babe. It's about to work. Forgot to bring my GoPro, so we got donut, 2 croissants that we already ate.
Yep.
There's remnants.
With apricot.
Aqua.
And then this is an iced coffee here.
Cafe Primo.
Yeah. And we got water.
Yeah.
Cute little. Which that's exactly what Coffee Point does too.
Oh yeah, can we walk up in there? Maybe
Don't mind my makeup.
the menu for
It's melting off my face.
mask on deck. It's hot.
It's very hot. I'm sweating my makeup off. Right.
Ciao.
Say hi, Jaden. Okay. We are almost home from our trip to Sorrento, Italy. I look like garbage. Don't mind me.
I look the same.
Yeah, he always looks fine. Guys always look fine. Whatever.
Pounds on. I got some pizza pounds on me.
Yeah, a lot of pizza. Overall, it was a good trip.
Lots Lots of cool
Yeah.
views.
Yeah, a lot of what? Ocean,
Water views.
Water
you can see
views,
the
yeah. Mountains.
Amalfi Coast. Very Capri.
really nice. Had some cocktails, had some brunch, had some dinner,
Gelato.
a lot of pizza.
Yeah.
A lot of pizza, so good.
Probably
Good pizza.
the food was better there than in Bari.
Yeah. Well, in Bari we starved. We starved in Bari because everything was closed and we were on a mountain. So.
It was super,
But,
it was super
anyways.
ritzy neighborhood. It wasn't made for everybody.
There was nothing around. But Sorrento, success. Jaden acted up a little bit, but he's a 2-year-old. What are you gonna do?
1 out of 10.
The trip itself, I think I'd give it an 8.5.
Okay.
Like the trip in its entirety. It was a good trip. We walked everywhere. We got to see a lot of shops. I loved the little bar we went to for like croissants and donuts yesterday. I don't know if you took a video, but
Oh no, I didn't.
or a picture. I took a picture of the outside. It was like Rita's bar, I think, or Rista's. No, I'm pretty sure it was Rita's, but it was really good. And the pizza, or not the pizza, the people were very nice. The guy at the bar. We got like a big donut, 2 croissants,
Oh, that place. yeah.
water, and I also got like an iced coffee, and it was like $7. We got so much food to hold us over until we had lunch.
For dinner, we did Retina.
Yeah.
Retina?
Retina.
I didn't record that. I should have. I didn't think about it. I
Yeah,
took
and he
this,
went
like,
by himself too.
this super sketchy road. There's a pedestrian moped. I don't know. I was like, the worst thing that could possibly happen is a pack of wild dogs come and maul me to death. But it was cool. I came out of the road in a really nice neighborhood. Everybody was running around. There's like a Clydesdale horse and buggy. I don't know what city you're in, but that was cool. And the restaurant, the owner was super cool. I was shaking hands, kissing babies. It was like, oh, you're from Germany? I'm like, no, from the States. And they're like, how is that possible? I'm like, military? He was like, oh, okay, whatever. But that place is really good. Super friendly, super small, really hot. But I enjoyed it. I should have took video. Probably could have went as a whole, but Jaden was being a jerk. But
Yeah, he was tired and cranky because he didn't sleep the night before, so.
I think we got what, 2? It's a Buffalina pizza, Diavola. You got bruschetta, whatever.
Yeah.
And something else.
And it was really good. Actually, that's my lunch today because I didn't finish it. I was like, there's no way I'm gonna eat my whole pizza plus all this bruschetta. It was really good.
€18 for all of that.
Yeah.
You go to Domino's and get paid for that. It's like.
And then he went to the store and got a half a gallon of water for €1, so we could all share it. But yeah, well,
Oh yeah, you're right.
yeah, they're right here.
Okay.
We're back on base now. That's the end of our trip. Bye guys.
Bye.
We'll see you on our next one, which will be Caserta Palace. Bye bye.